everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack That Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha and I am up with another idiom video, and this time in this idiom video I'll be taking up some idioms which are related to personality or character. So here comes my questions. Be ready everyone. The first question is, nobody likes Peter very much because he's so annoying. He's a right dash. So how will you address a person who's annoying to you, who's a trouble to you? You will say he's the pain in the neck, and in short we can also say that he's such a pain. Okay, so such a pain or pain in the neck is an idiom which is used to address the people who annoy us, who trouble us. Now the second one is, Andy is so boring. Did you know that his idea of a perfect day is going to the station to collect the train registration numbers? What a dash or what and dash. Here two words can come. One which we have been generally using. We have been generally using the idiom nerd to depict a person who finds the things which most of us find uninteresting and boring. That thing comes out to be interesting to that person, like studies. Most of us don't like it, but the person who studies a lot is called as a nerd, right? Similarly, the other word is anorak. Now the spelling is A-N-O-R-A-K, and anorak is a person who is actually the one who finds many things interesting which others don't like. Okay, now the next question is, Lisa loves working here. She's a real dash. Now a person who loves his job and company is called as a real camper. Okay, real camper is a person who loves his job and company. Now the last one, Alan, not the last one, second last one. Alan is an excellent and intelligent manager who runs the department well and deals effectively with any problems that come up. Everyone agrees that he is an dash. He is a dash. So someone who does his job excellently, who deals with the situations nicely, is called as a smart cookie. Not the cookie to eat, smart cookie or a tough cookie. So a person is called as a smart cookie or a tough cookie if he does his job well and deals with the situation well. So next time you can call someone as a smart cookie. Whom will you address as smart cookie? Let me know in the comment section. Now the last question for the day. This is very relatable, okay? You have been sitting in front of the television for almost 4 hours, and this happens with our mobile phone these days. So you have been sitting in front of the television for almost 4 hours. Why don't you turn it off and go for a walk? You are turning into a dash. So the one who wastes a lot of time in front of television is called as a something related to potato. Now you have to tell me what kind of a potato. We call it a couch potato. Obviously we are talking about a person watching television, so we generally watch a television sitting on a couch, so relate them equally. And couch potato is an idiom which is used to address the people who spend a lot of time in front of the television. So comment below who is a couch potato, you know. Okay, and this is the way how you can remember certain idioms related to personality and character. So if you found this video useful, you're supposed to like this video, share it with more and more people, and of course if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel, and I'll be up with more such videos. Until then, please take care and thanks for watching.